Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐤𝐤𝐿.com. Got a nice little black Hijet jumbo cab here. This is a 2019. It's basically a brand new one because it's only done 16 kilometers. That's about 10 miles, not 1,000, 10 miles. This is a three-side drop with the bigger cab, higher roof, and you can see it's in brand new condition. Bed is in not used condition, and inside also very nice. Never had a stereo put in, so you can put whatever you want. It's a double din normal aperture, and the seats you can see nice and clean. This one's an automatic transmission, 2 or 4 wheel drive. It's got electric windows as well. This is being sold, as are all these trucks in the US, as off-road only use, so it's equivalent to an ATV. I'll just start the engine. You'll see all the lights go out. Airbag lights off now. It's got dual airbags, one on that side, one on the steering wheel. This one's up, I should say, see it there. This one's also got cameras in the front as well to avoid running into the back of other cars, but as I mentioned, they are for off-road use. There's the four-wheel drive button there. Press that button and four-wheel drive light comes on the dashboard. Now that's engaged. If you put some good tyres on these cars, they are pretty good off the road as well. This is, as I mentioned, a bigger cab, so you can see got the bit extension at the back of the seats. You can put stuff in behind there, and a higher roof as well. So this truck is going to be on its way to the US very shortly. If you're interested in this one, something like it, or you'd like to be a distributor for us in the US, have a look on our website, 𝐷𝐸𝐼𝐚𝐴𝐸.com. A lot of information is on there, and thank you very much for watching.